Reliant Robin starting take 2. Put that there. Put that there.
It'll be easier for me to go inside. I'm going to do it right here.
Put that down there. That can go there. That can go there. That can go there. Somewhere near the engine. Right, shall we go for it?
No.
Where's the screwdriver? Oh, there's one in the car. You ready?
Yeah, do it. Exhaust on well done.
Any fuel actually coming out there? Where's the fuel in pipe? What is that?
Has it actually got flammable?
I'll tell you what, David, if I get a little thing of fuel, do you just want to pour a tiny bit in the car?
Yeah, there's some fuel down here to come out of the road.
Fuel cans down there, isn't it?
We've got a tin on that, put it.
Fun little pot. Fuel pot. Is this sensible and everything can play? Just a very, very small amount, like teaspoonful.
So all of it then?
A couple of milk. I won't pour it all in.
I can't see.
The starty thing there. Right, you put a little bit in. I won't put that on the roof, it's like for an older plastic.
What? In this plastic pot? Hang on.
A little bit more. Hang on a minute, wait.
Some's gone in, I can't see how much. Where's that coming from?
Is that what you just pulled through?
I might just missed.
Yeah. Right, try a bit more then.
I've chucked some in.
That's more of a run than we had before.
So we've now got fuel issue. It's manual pump, isn't it? Yeah. You sure you don't just have a fuel issue?
Well, I'm just going to undo this pipe here, pull this one off.
But it might just be the dead fuel.
David,
Yeah.
where's your pot?
Oh, well.
Bring your pot here. Put it there.
Hang on, let me put it back on.
I'm going to turn it over, put it over the end of this pipe here. And if you get fuel out of there, then we've got fuel coming in. You see that one there? You ready?
Yeah. Yeah, got fuel.
You got fuel?
Yeah.
So the fuel coming, what does it smell like?
Varnish? Varnish. Varnish.
Oh, smells nice. So, yeah, tank wants draining.
While near the car, do you want to give it a dousing in that rust killer stuff?
No, I was going to take it off. Right, David, let me show you how you do this. So, basically, you've got that wire there at the back, and this terminal here at the front. That there at the back,
Right.
you need to connect those two together. No, it's all fine, mate. Right, so if you do that, I want to see if I can get it to stick over, so I want to see if I can try the clutch. Try it again. And again.
I think you're going to get it to run with that fuel in it.
Try it now.
Right.
Go on then.
You have to get it fuel.
Try it now.
Is it just not connected at the front, the exhaust, or has it got a big hole?
It sounds like it's not connected to the front. Well, that runs.
Just need fuel.
I just need to know clutch
Exhaust.
runs.
Need proper fuel.
Do what?
Needs proper fuel.
Yeah. Well, he wants to keep wiring in as well.
Yeah.
I don't call it that working, mate.
It ran for long enough.
Did we actually capture it this time? Thank God for that.